It has been over 2 decades in the making. Just over 2 months ago, the city of Mitchell opened its doors on a new 24-hour emergency mental health crisis care center for the first time. In a story that you will only see here on Dakota News Now, photojournalist Dave Hauk is giving us a look inside of this new care center.
Any groups that they might need to participate in. They can
to be able to have a facility where they can come and stabilize. And
so these beds are, everything on them is ligature proof.
In a comfortable space and a safe space. That was really exciting. I've been here for 25 years, so for so long we've had to have a lot of folks go to the jail for an evaluation if they're in a mental health crisis.
The last thing you need when you are in a mental health crisis is to be incarcerated or put in a place where you are incarcerated with handcuffs.
We lock down 300 and go in there. My personal opinion, people that are in a mental health crisis do not ever belong in jail. You know, there's going to be the occasional exception of somebody that they can't handle at the crisis center. But beyond that, somebody in crisis shouldn't be in jail. This is not the place for them.
So this location is Dakota Counseling downtown, and one of the services provided here are 24-hour crisis beds, which really serves as a mental health emergency room.
It's a little bit different because instead of a desk and a chair, we have a rocking chair.
Right now we have a staff member available, at least one, 24/7, and a lot of those shifts is a registered nurse.
It's going to mean a lot to
This is our calming room.
the people that utilize the space, but also to the community. You know, I think that it's a place where they can just drop in if they're in crisis. Have it be safe, inviting, have some different things that they can do to help resolve that crisis, or become more stable, or feel like they're able to manage their emotions better.
If someone comes in crisis and we're looking for resources, we have a number of other staff members then that come down and meet with them, whether it might be a treatment needs assessment for drug and alcohol,
Text titled.
whether it might be a case manager to help with housing and other community resources. We're able to pull from that whole staff to make sure that the care that they're receiving is very individualized.
Control, can you unlock T02, T03, T04?
One of my biggest pluses to the mental health center is I don't know how many times I've heard somebody that had been brought to the jail for a mental health hold tell us when they're being released that they will never call for help again because they got arrested and taken to jail. Hopefully this will eliminate that problem.
And that's what this place is really about. Helping people get through the crisis and find a way to move forward.
Photojournalist Dave Hauk with that story for us tonight. The DCI is very happy with local businesses and people for all of their hard work.